19mm signed waterproof LED metal indicator light. This indicator light features a freely detachable and assemblable lamp head, and its shell structure is fixed like that of a metal button. Customers can replace the indicator icon according to their own needs. We will provide commonly used symbol stickers, with a quantity of up to 187 pieces. First, press the suction cup onto the button head to squeeze out the air inside the suction cup. Then, gently pull it, and the lamp cover can be smoothly removed. Slide the suction cup down to separate the two. Next, put the symbol sticker into the lamp cover, taking care not to reverse the front and back order. Finally, align the lamp cover vertically with the indicator light and press down to fix it until the two are combined. This indicator light has a waterproof rating of IP67 and can work normally even when immersed in water.